What's it
I
say?
open those gummies.
No.
Why?
We don't want to do this.
No, David. No, no, no.
What's this one say?
No.
Alright, you want to read this one? I didn't mean to. Accident. It was an accident. Do I have to? What happened here? What's he saying? I forgot. What's this one say?
Doggy ate the homework?
Couldn't help it.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
She likes it.
I slipped.
But Dad says it.
What does Daddy say?
Excuse me.
I didn't mean to.
No, it wasn't me. Yes, it was me.
What's Brutus eating? What's Brutus eating?